In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Pandadoc free. Pandadoc is an online tool for creating, sending, and collecting signatures on documents. The easiest way to get started at no cost is by using their free e-sign plan. In this tutorial, I will walk you through where to find it and how to sign up so you can begin using Pandadoc right away. First, open your web browser and go to the Pandadoc pricing page. The pricing page is important because it clearly lists the available plans, including the free option. If you land on the Pandadoc homepage instead, look for a link that says Pricing in the top menu and select it to get to the correct page. Once you are on the pricing page, take a moment to scan the plan options. You are looking specifically for the plan labeled Free eSign. This is the free version designed for basic electronic signatures. It is a good starting point if you want to sign documents without paying for advanced features. Under the free eSign plan, click the button that says Start for Free. This will take you to the sign-up screen where you can create your account. Make sure you select the Start for Free button under the free eSign plan, not a button under another plan, since some options may start with a trial that later requires payment. Now you will sign up. Pandadoc typically offers a few different sign-up methods. You can create an account using your email address, or you can use a connected sign-in option like Google or LinkedIn. Choose the method that is most convenient for you. Using Google or LinkedIn can be faster because it reduces the amount of information you need to type. As you complete the sign-up process, follow the on-screen prompts carefully and confirm the details you enter are accurate, especially if you are using an email-based sign-up. After you finish, you should be able to access your Pandadoc account and start using the free eSign features. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.